on the same page. Okay, guys, purpose of this video is going over the WIM. The WIM is very important. It stands for Weekly Individual Meeting. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go through this piece real quick. So what is a WIM? Come on, buddy. Come on. So basically a WIM is a meeting, right? It's regularly scheduled, never missed. We focus on the team member and its notes and critical follow-up, right? One-on-ones are sacrosanct. We never miss them. Ruby, sacrosanct means just it's super important. There's nothing more important and they gotta happen, right? For most managers with a team member, it happens weekly. For some managers, it happens bi-weekly, and for few managers, it happens once a month. Okay? Why do we conduct these? Or where do we conduct them? The key is not in public but in private. So basically, we'll just do it over the computer. What do we do and how do we do it? It's going to be a 30-minute meeting. It could be longer. 10 minutes for you, 10 minutes for me, 10 minutes of growth and development, and it could be longer if needed, right? Basically, all we're doing with this is making a clear line of communication between problems and issues and tasks that I need you to do. So some questions for the WIM that you may have for me. What do I do? What do my follow-up notes say that I need to do? Do I have any questions? Do I need to be sure to communicate? What projects am I involved with? So on and so forth. So the next link at the bottom is the priority tracker. This is where I actually check you, Ruby. So I'll give you an example. I'm actually going to come here and edit this. Ruby. So I kind of have this laid out for you. Have your rocks. Rocks are high-level items that they're high-level items that we need to kind of lay out, right? So I got one rock for you, Ruby. Here's the task that I have for you right now. I need Ruby to be able to schedule calls, right? So I'm teaching you everything to get that done. The due date for you to get that done, I need to have you ready for that, Ruby.
Okay.
Literally by Monday, because Monday's your payday. Monday, that's your pay week, and like I said, I'm gonna do that bi-weekly thing. So you got to, I'm gonna be optimistic. On Sunday, the 12th, I'm gonna put.
Okay.
It'd be nice to have you able to do that, but part of it is me getting organized to get there. By 1:12, I need you able to schedule calls. Is there a link? No, there's not. Okay. Now, to-dos and tasks, all that stuff. I just gave you a bunch of tasks and to-dos. I want to show you how this works. Basically, you got three things: on track, off track. On track means you got it. Off track means it's not happening. And there's one more box that says done. It's either on track or off track or done. So I'll give you an example. It is 1:13. I need Ruby to be able to schedule calls. Can she get it done? Is it done? Can Ruby schedule calls? No. So the task is off track. It's not done. We didn't hit our deadline. So part of it is establishing realistic deadlines too. So this is our piece, and I'll give you a sample of how it works. You'll tell me a personal highlight. Had fun with my family this weekend, right? Nice. Professional highlight. I scheduled 5 calls. I think that's a personal record. And then Ruby's questions and concerns. William, I had a client that asked what the July special was, and I didn't know what it was. Can you tell me? I got another question for you. William, I lost a success session. No, I got one for you. William, I had someone that wanted you to go to an event what do I do from here? Now, Ruby, ideally you can email me that, but I'm just giving you an example of a couple things, okay? So I got one. I'll say, Ruby, we have new call scripts. We have new call scripts. I need to teach you. See what I'm saying? That's how that looks. So we're going to clear that out. Ruby, what I want you to do, I want you to take about 3 minutes and I want you to list the tasks. Oh, before I do that, when you want to make this bigger or add rows, you know, Control F, insert row above, Control F, insert row above. Okay? Ruby, I gave you about 3 to 4 different things that I needed you to do. I want you to take 5 minutes and list out those tasks that I need you to do. Go into your William at Savoy. I just shared the file with you.
Okay. One moment. Opening.
Hey, Catherine, this is Savoy from Savoy Fitness. I apologize for the confusion. Can you tell me what the situation was? Did we schedule you on a date and we misapplied the date? Got you. I'm sorry. Okay, so let me clear everything up. So we have an automated email thing that it will continue to send you emails. So usually with the LEM leads that we do, with those LEM leads, like you get a lot of people that don't like schedule so fast. We're used to like people not scheduling, so it kind of builds like 5 or 6 different emails. So I apologize about that. But what I would like to do, I got my call center manager with me. I'm here. When do you want to meet? I'm just going to clear the whole thing up right now. When can I meet with you? What's at your convenience? Um, let me, oh, absolutely, absolutely. Um, okay, now I see the problem. You'll actually be meeting with me, Miss Catherine, and that time is really rough for me. I got a coach that I'm onboarding at that time. Is there another date that I can meet you this week? I can meet you tomorrow. I can meet you Saturday morning. What you got for me? I apologize. Yeah, okay.
I'm on the phone. Sorry.
No, Catherine, take your time. I'm sorry. You're good.
Okay. Okay. So, hang on just a second. So you have your daughter this weekend? Okay. Okay. So Saturday, what time? Don't make me get up early.
You want to do you want to do 9:30 a.m.?
9:30.
Mm-hmm.
Can we do 10?
I think
10 too late?
Yeah, I have a 10. You want to go 9?
How long do your sessions last?
Literally 15 to 20 minutes.
Oh. Okay.
To be honest, Miss Catherine, it's more of, it's usually how deep you want to take your goal. Like I can take as long as I need to talk about your fitness goal. I can do everything I need. It's really just more of like answering your questions, kind of talking about your goals. I mean, I could even do 9:45 if that works.
Okay. Where is your office at?
We're located in Elizabethtown across from Rural King on Dixie Highway.
Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. I'm going to be really honest. I'm not even going to do it. I have no desire to drive across the bridge to do it. So I apologize for...
Oh. Well, Catherine, are you in Indiana? Oh, yeah. Okay. We're over here by Kai's. I got 2 locations. Yeah. Okay. You're right by me. Yeah. You're right by me. I apologize. I'm actually here right now. We can meet, if you want to meet at the Indiana location, I can actually we can go noon if you want to do that. That way you can, yeah, let's do noon on Saturday. Okay, and what I will do, Miss Catherine, I'll make sure that if you sign up, I'll give you a discount for all the inconvenience. So, yes, I'll see you at noon, 1350 Warner Avenue, Clarksville, Indiana. WOERNER, 1350 Warner Avenue. Thank you. Noon on Saturday at the Indiana location, right behind Kai's. Yes, ma'am. Bye-bye. Okay, Ruby, you still working?
Yes.
Take your time.
Okay.
Pyro, why you be sleep? Oh, that's all you do is sleep. Oh my God.
He's trying to play with him.
Whoa, he be off the chain.
Like a grown man.
Oh my God. Y'all can come in and see him. He needs to get up anyways. Hey, Ruby, you still there?
Yes, I'm still here.
Wake up. He's probably gonna pee. Okay, Ruby. I got you. I got you booked. I sent you an email. 12
Okay.
noon, 502 Catherine, Clarksville, Indiana. Coach Nick, 12 noon. Okay. Okay, Ruby. So how are you looking on your end?
Yeah, can you check the form, please?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for. So that's how, like, when I give you a task, Ruby, that's how our communication should be. And then you're just going to put done, this, that, and the other. Input new leads, schedule success sessions from William, schedule Tanya for E-Town. Check the email I just sent you and let me know what that means to you. He's like been asleep all day. I just learned this. Puppies sleep like 16 hours a day. Literally 16 hours a day. So he's doing whatever. Huh? 8 weeks. This is my 3rd day with him. He's up. 3rd day. Just got him. Ruby, what does that email mean that I sent to you? Did you get it?
I haven't received it yet.
Alright, hold on. For Nick William at SavoyFitness.com. I just shot that to you. Yeah, they sleep like 16 hours a day.